Our Your Company, Your Say campaign represented the largest consultation exercise we've undertaken with our customers in recent times to explain to customers how we, as their not-for-profit water company, plan to invest £2 billion between 2015 and 2021. It's a large amount of money, and it is the money ultimately the customers pay us in the form of the bill. We operate across a huge operating area. We supply water to a number of hard-to-reach groups, and we needed to make sure they also had the opportunity. We used a combination of animation, and you had the interactive website as well. And we also had quite a prominent pod located at various city centre locations, which attracted people in and made it quite easy for us then to begin the dialogue with our customers about our investment plans. We've interacted with 10,000 customers in a very short period of time, which really is a huge achievement. But importantly, we've got the information from our customers, which will now help shape our business plan for the future.